Hi, I'm Brad. Here's my house in Canada, my sexy car, our cute little doggies. I am an AI engineer, blogger, YouTuber, influencer with 9 years of experience doing custom AI projects. I even sold a business once. In this Fiverr exclusive gig, I'm going to build you a custom chatbot system. You're going to get a chatbot that's been customized to your needs, code and IP transferred over to you at the end of the project, and you're going to get a warranty for any bugs and issues you may find. So, what's it like working with me?
It was great to work with you, Brad. You were super responsive to all the queries I had, and you really helped me understand every stage of the project.
As an entrepreneur and small business owner myself, I understand your needs. I'm gonna pepper you with questions at the start. I like lots of communication and recurring meetings. I put a lot of emphasis on quality. If you need the best, I'm the man for the job.